Act 1, Scene 1 of Shakespeare's Hamlet takes place on the cold, dark ramparts of Elsinore Castle in Denmark. The scene opens with Bernardo arriving to take over the watch from Francisco. After a short exchange in which Francisco reports an uneventful watch, he leaves upon Marcellus and Horatio's arrival. Bernardo and Marcellus have experienced sightings of a ghost on previous nights and have invited Horatio, a scholar and skeptic, to witness the apparition. They believe the ghost bears a striking resemblance to the recently deceased King Hamlet. Although Horatio initially dismisses their claims, his skepticism is quickly dispelled when the ghost indeed appears, resembling the late king in both visage and armor. Horatio, deeply shaken by the sight, attempts to communicate with the ghost, demanding it to identify itself and speak. However, the ghost remains silent and eventually fades away, leaving Horatio, Bernardo, and Marcellus to contemplate the significance of its visitation. Horatio, now a firm believer in the ghost's reality, speculates that its appearance portends misfortune for Denmark. He draws connections to the political tension brewing with Norway, as young Fortinbras seeks to avenge his father's defeat and reclaim lost territories. Amid these discussions, the ghost reappears, prompting Horatio to implore it once more for communication, but to no avail. As dawn approaches, signaled by a rooster's crow, the ghost disappears. Horatio, deeply affected by these encounters, suggests that they inform Prince Hamlet about the ghost, believing that it might communicate with its son. The underlying tension of the scene is amplified by the political undertones of Fortinbras's impending actions and the recent death of King Hamlet, setting the stage for the unfolding drama. This scene introduces key themes of the play, such as the supernatural, the uncertain distinction between appearance and reality, and the looming sense of unease and foreboding that characterizes the state of Denmark. Through this encounter, Shakespeare establishes an atmosphere of suspense and anticipation, engaging the audience with questions about the ghost's intentions and the fate of Denmark. Thanks for watching this Bookly Crash Course video. Make sure to check out my channel for the complete chapter-by-chapter summary playlist.